What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Cheers. I hope you're having a good morning or good night, depending on when you are watching this. I just woke up like an hour ago. I've just been kind of chilling around the house. I'm at my parents' house right now, but I will be going back to my apartment shortly. I got some news. I can't really tell you much about it right now, but it's good news. I just got my first partnership. Can't tell you with who it is. It's not like 100% set, but seems I just got to do a meeting with them and it'll be set. But very excited about that, which means my YouTube channel is growing. So thanks to all of you supporting my YouTube channel. And thank you so much for being so nice. Like, I know some YouTube channels, like their subscribers are aggressive and mean to people, but you guys are really sweet. So thank you so much for watching and also supporting me in my journey. If you do not know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur. I've been an entrepreneur my whole life, and I decided to now start recording my day in the lives, the ins and outs in business. So if you are an aspiring entrepreneur, or you are an entrepreneur, or you have a business, that's what I'm all about. It's day in the life vlogs. Sometimes I'll do tutorials, it just depends, but that is what I'm gonna do. So today we're gonna be doing customer orders, and then we're gonna be doing another FBA shipment. So I got an FBA shipment out yesterday, and I'm gonna get another one out today as well, and then we'll just go from there. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll see you guys in a bit. So we are at USPS dropping off some packages and we are done. So let's go over yesterday's revenue to show you how much money we made. All right, so yesterday was interesting. We made $8.50 on Walmart yesterday. We made $25 flat on Shopify yesterday. And we made $334.30 on Amazon yesterday. So now we're at a total of we made $368 in revenue yesterday, but now we're at a total of $10,000. So that's good. We want to be $20,000 more up by the end of the month, but that's okay. We're getting there. I'm not bummed. It's just another ups and downs of business you just got to get through. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. I make a video every single day until I hit $30,000 a month, and from there we'll figure it out. And then also, if you do like this style of content, please subscribe down below because I make videos like this every single day. So I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great rest of your Friday. Have a great weekend. Peace out.